We purchased all the gym equipment we never used. So, very good morning, guys, and what's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. We thought of doing a Q&A session with you guys. We never did. So, on our Instagram page, we will post the Q&A dialog box, and you can ask whatever you want.
He'll handle it. It's too complicated for my
And try to keep it interesting, guys. And the first link in the description will take you guys directly to the Instagram page of Two Brother Vlogs, and also there will be a card here. Saying this, we have a very interesting thing to show you guys today. Let's get over it.
Shraddha has something really cool to show you guys. So let's go there and let's see what's happening. So what you're seeing are coasters. We have trays like this. These can be made in multiple colors of your choice. You know, we have so many colors, so many designs.
And we have made a lot more of those. You want to see? Let's go downstairs. Come on. नहीं वो क्या घर की कहानी घर की आओ देखो.
Well, these are few of the designs which we have made over the past few days. We have keychains, coasters. You know what? This coaster actually has rose petals in it, real rose petals. So we can do something like that as well. Moroccan style coasters. We have serving trays. We have serving trays which are like crystal as well. So you can see the shine on them. And we have just few fancy stuff like these keys. So there are a lot more stuff, you know. These are just the beginning of what we are capable of doing. We are accepting orders for all this right now. So these again can be made in a choice of color of yours. So name a color and we can do it. Any color combination. You can mix and match whatever you want and it'll be done.
Don't miss the dog tags. They're so cute.
Absolutely. Yeah. Look, this are the dog tags. In fact, this belongs to... This has been already purchased by somebody whose dog's name is Tommy. So...
Yeah, we have pendants also, cute pendants.
And again, we have
bookmark keychains.
something like this. This is actually used on paintings, but these can also be used as paperweights. They're like crystals, you can see, and
You can create your own little treasure with these.
absolutely.
Look at the color combinations. We can play around with colors very amazingly. And the petals, obviously. Okay. Bye.
So this is where it is. You know where to order. It's only on our Instagram page by Shraddha. That's From the Heart by Shraddha. So please order, and we'll be more than happy to send these across to you.
Okay, the thing which you saw is actually called epoxy art, and once everything is done, it takes almost 72 hours to set, and once everything is set, it becomes extremely hard and brittle. So it is not that easy to break, and you can use it as trays, coasters, as you saw, multiple applications. But as of now, we have these varieties. So if you like it, if you have some creative colors in your head, please approach us on the Instagram page and we will help you out. And also, by saying this, finally, it's almost been a week or more than a week, it's almost 10 days we have taken delivery of this bike, and until now we were extremely busy to give this bike for PPF. So today is the day we are going and giving it out.
One more thing, you know, people ask how easy or how difficult is it to maintain this bike. It is not difficult. I don't know what is there on the color. It is not a matte, it is not a gloss paint. Door is falling, I'm really sorry, but it's got a very smooth finish. So yes, it catches a lot of dirt. You can see a lot of dirt on the paint because it is white. But you put a cloth, you put water, the dust actually very easily washes off. I took hardly 15 minutes to clean the bike. Look at how amazingly new it is.
The previous Sunday we actually went to a small race event. We did not vlog anything there because there was a lot of background noise, and because of copyright issues we thought of not vlogging at all. But probably if there's a next event,
I think I can show them a little bit of the 911 GT3 RS ka video, which is shot on my phone.
live on. The tire is completely bald in the center. So we need new tires for this bike. It's almost 10,000 kilometers done. Because of the bike's power, the wear is much faster. I got the same tires on the Africa Twin as well. I'm pretty sure they will last for next 13 to 14,000 kilometers. But this thing for the multi-strada, it wore out at 9,900 or something. So
It's almost 10,000. You know what? I asked in the we have a multi-strada all India group. I was like 10,000 kilometers, itna jaldi tire. I was like done and all. I was a little worried, and I asked them what tire to take next and all. They were like, dude, 9,000, you got a lot. You're very careful in driving the bike. People were done in about 5 and 6,000 RPM for a literally 90% road and 10% off-road tire.
And that is one more thing which you have to understand. The more the power of the bike, the faster the wear will be for the tire.
Because the torque is so high on these machines.
And especially for the twins,
Yeah.
where the torque is initial, you always blip, 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 blip.
You would love that. You would get...
Addicted.
Yeah, it is an addiction.
So,
The sad
इसका
side is
खर्चा
that
है.
40,000 uska kharcha for the tire set. Welcome to Srujan's office, I would say.
Our office. It's been almost 20 years. This office is 20 years old, and this place was never decorated, renovated, anything. So after like 20 years, it's empty now. It will be filled soon. Just half part of the office is renovated. The other half is still pending. So for past 20 days or something?
All of us were very
All of us
busy
were working,
doing
clearing,
cleaning.
moving everything. All the dirt, junk, unused
You
material.
will not believe it how much cleaning was
There was-
involved in this.
There was an office here that belonged to mom. We removed it, but there were many systems. There were like 52 old CPUs and monitors here, so we had to remove everything. They're black and white की भी थी यार. Just imagine how old. So जो भी है, we could not give Panigale today for the PPF.
Because
It's been postponed to tomorrow.
unfortunately. But yes, tomorrow it's going to happen. We will be
Yeah,
giving...
this week it will happen. The PPF will be done. So I just wanted to say we need to let's keep the Q&A sessions quite interesting, because if it's boring questions, it'll not be uploaded in the vlog. If it's a very interesting question and it takes time to understand and reply to that question, definitely we will put it, and let's try to keep it as interesting as possible. That's all I wanted to say.
Yes, so we will take how many questions? No matter how many, we'll put an entire video dedicated to the question.
Yes.
Only interesting questions will be answered, so something very nice. Anything you want to know about?
Just for your confirmation, I just want to say that when are we riding next? No idea. Where are we going next? We have no idea. So
Because next ride is not planned. We haven't planned anything because, as you see, this place.
and what bike we are going to take next? That's out of the question because we just purchased.
There's no plan.
So
And also,
apart from these,
one more also. XUV 700 kab aayega? We don't know that. We haven't been
we've
informed.
been following the showroom guys.
But
and
honestly
even-
speaking,
even
it has
they-
been a pathetic service by Mahindra.
Even they have no idea about it. So can't help it. So let's keep it interesting. Let's keep it exciting, and we'll try to answer maximum number of questions and try to answer your queries regarding anything. I'm sorry, we are not much into share markets or क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Bitcoins and
Bitcoins and share
cryptos.
market, cryptos and SIPs. We are not into that, but we cannot give you how to do
Invest
all
money
that.
in there.
But we will definitely tell you how to purchase a bike if you are interested in that.
Hard work. So, saying that again, we will say bye-bye for this video.
Next video is definitely about the Panigale and its PPF for sure, right?
Definitely.
So
Small hint, the way we are purchasing our bikes, we are business guys and we have jobs and we are entrepreneurs. Easy to frame everything in one sentence.
So, Panigale, and you know what? I need to prepare for my flight tomorrow. I'm flying after 20 days.
Exactly.
Bye bye. See ya.
In the next one.
Love
Bye
you.
guys.